Key steps: topical anesthesia, alcohol cleansing, application of topical anesthetic, occlusive dressing to cover area, removal of cover in 30 minutes to 2 hours. To obtain topical anesthesia of the skin, first wipe the skin with alcohol to remove the surface oils. Apply the topical anesthetic cream to the planned incision area. Use 1 to 2 grams of cream to cover a 3 by 3 centimeter area. Cover the area with an occlusive dressing for 30 to 120 minutes, depending on the topical agent chosen and the desired depth of anesthesia. At 30 to 60 minutes, 3 millimeters depth is usually anesthetized, with an additional 1 millimeter depth added for every 30 minutes up to 120 minutes total application time. Remove the dressing and perform the procedure. The skin should show some blanching in the area that is anesthetized. For topical anesthesia for mucous membranes, use topical spray, gels, or solutions of lidocaine or benzocaine. Apply the anesthetic agent directly to the operative site, and onset of action is under 3 minutes. Start the procedure at that time.